actually have this pillow, and I want to get another one, but y'all, it's 50% off of $40. I don't even remember paying $40 for it, to be honest. All right, guys, so as you know, many of you know I'm about to be a grandmother for the first time, and I'm just looking at all of the baby stuff, and I'm just getting so excited. Look at that. Is that not adorable? My first little black dress. That is too cute. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Look, that's the price of a dress that I could get at Ross or something. But anyway, sassy like mommy. These are too cute. Pretty as a peach. Look at these. Love them. Naturally this cute.
So as she said, my name is Mariah Mitchell, and I'm Angelina, and again, we are seniors here, and we were the student directors for the show. Yes, we have been working for a long time on this, and it's taken a lot of hard work and patience, but I think that this cast has worked so hard, and they're doing really good, and I'm very proud of them, and I hope you guys will be too. Yeah, let's just give them a hand. I can still figure out which one it will be, but it's
Okay guys, this show is copyright protected, so I couldn't take any pictures or do any filming during the actual production, but they did a wonderful job acting, and Angelina and Mariah did a wonderful job as student directors. All right, my friends, that is it for today's vlog. I know this one was short, but I will be back tomorrow with more. I'm going to be in the kitchen, and I'll also take you a couple of places with me as I do a little bit of shopping. Have a blessed and a prosperous day, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.